Click and drag to select cells B9 through B11. This is the source range. Note that although cell B9 displays the value $6.50, that value is derived from the formula =B13/B5, as shown in the formula bar. Cells B10 and B11 contain similar formulas. In the Clipboard group on the Home tab, click the Copy button. Excel copies the source cell content to the clipboard. Click cell C9. You will paste the copied data into the range C9 through C11, starting in cell C9. In the Clipboard group, click the Paste arrow. The Paste Gallery opens. In the Paste Values section of the Paste Gallery, click the Values and Number Formatting option.